from your body. Listen to instructions. Away.
Naina.
Naina, away. Push it out. Head, head, head. That's it, yeah. Don't drop your hands. That's it. Fingers and our hands do.
Naina.
Hands do. Thumbs in, Prisha. Head, head, head. 3 times. Look to the front. Look to the front. Elbow high, Naina. 6. You cannot do that. Watch it come, Prisha, Prisha. Elbow high, Naina. This time is wrong. Look, look. Point to the side. Look to the bottom of your eye. No, diggy. Oh, this is good. Put up लगाओ. Good. Listen to me carefully. Your postures have to be clean. Okay? When you are doing your arti, you don't look at your arti. Your focus is not the fire, not the thali. Your focus is God. So when you are doing the arti, you look at God. Doesn't matter where your hand is going. Your eyes are on the murti. Did you get that? So you're not going to follow your hands. First thing. Second thing is you are going to go back, looking front to the back, front to the back, front to the back, and front. Did you get that? Do it again. No, one more time. One more time. Did you do that, Naina? 1, 2, 3, go. Front to the back, front to the back, front to the back. And look, Prisha, thumbs in. Now, do you see both the palms out? Both the palms start from down. Both the palms go up. Did you get that? Now, do you see the difference between this and this?
Yes.
Remember, I told you one hand does not cross and go on the other side. So I am very cleverly structuring my hand. Very cleverly structuring my hand. But my hand is still stretched. When it is time for this, it stretches. When it's time for this, it stretches. This hand stays outside the chest bone. Remember all these techniques. Got it? When you are turning, Naina, your other hand should not be like this. This hand stays chest, elbow high. Remember when you turn like that? Elbow high rakho, elbow high rakho. Yes, bring it down a little bit. Yes, you turn this way. Understood, everybody? No, Prisha, it does not go from this level. It goes from the shoulder level. From the shoulder level. Got it, everybody? When you are doing your shank, your right hand should be folding. Can you show me? Prisha, other hand folding.
Right hand.
Yes, yes. Prisha, right hand pakdo.
No, so yeah, this.
No, let her do it herself, Priya.
Okay.
This finger's out. Place it. Did you understand this, Prisha? Okay. Now, when you are doing your Vachikam, you have to sit with a lot of balance. Yeah? Okay. Now, when you are doing your Namaskar. After you do ta from Tara, you are starting your digi 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 from here. No, after you do ta, ra, digi digi. It is just the heel, 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 heel. Prisha, watch my footwork. I am not moving the front of the leg at all. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 carry on, carry on. Ta. Did you see my hand? Head. Head. Did you see my hand? Ta. Why can't I hear your digi digi? Why am I the only one doing it? 1, 2, 3, and ta. No, the taras are dropping. There are breaking stars. No, no, Prisha, it is not this. It is not this. It is this. Pakdo tara ko, drop it down. Drop and leave. Drop and leave the mudra. Leave the mudra. Drop and leave the mudra. Yes, 1, 2, 3, go. Ta, la, now, Naina, over here what you did was, you took your left leg back. There is a distinct difference between taking the right leg in the front and taking the left leg at the back. We will not do that later. Okay? We are going to do the first one where we step up on the right leg, okay? And we look up. Got it? Yeah? Now, does everybody know how to do this? Did we do this or did we do this?
No, we did that.
We did the one leg?
Yeah, that.
Okay. So you have to make sure you know the technique. You have to make sure that your head is in line with your belly button. You are looking at something that is not moving. You are holding your toe. Your hand comes from inside. Yes? Do it. Do it. It's just practice. It's just practice. Just make sure your center of your body is not changing. The center of your body should be same. Hold it from here, Prisha. Hold it from here. Now start balancing. Start balancing. Start balancing. That's how you do it. You can hold your ankle too. You can hold your ankle. Not like that. You hold it from inside. You don't hold your ankle. You hold your heel sometimes. But I think the toe looks much better.
Yeah.
Toe looks much more elegant. Okay. Now we're going to revise our Durga Vandana. You